Hello everybody, today we're going to do the Surya Namaskar, which means the salutation to the sun. As you can see, I'm stood in a pool of sunlight. I could think of nothing more beautiful for this today for us. So I do hope that the quality of the video you can see. This is from me to you as a gift. So everybody who knows me, you've requested this. For people who have never worked with me before, please do make sure that you check with your doctor before you start. Make sure that you're fit and healthy to do sun salutation. Watch the video all the way through. That would be lovely. I'm going to demonstrate and I'd like us all to join in the sun salutation. And this is a mini tutorial on the amazing benefits of the sun salutation. We start with the heart chakra. We stand in Namaste, coming into centre, gathering our energy. We stand and honour the sun. Taking a breath in. And on out breath, we honour the skies and the universe. Taking a little back bend if you'd like, opening yourself up to the skies and the heavens. We then take breath in, bring our energy and imagine a beautiful golden sun in between our palms. Breathing in, and on out breath you bring that energy and the sun all the way through you, the chakras, and the Sushumna, the central channel. Breathing in, and on out breath we come down and we honour the earth. So we come in and just be aware of going into the forward fold, honouring the earth energies, everything you take from the earth, that you are the earth yourself. Minerals, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood. Taking a breath in, and on out breath we leave the right leg forward. We're in the Sanchalasana, the horse pose now, and this is the right horse. Some people call this the runner pose. I call this Sanchalasana, the horse pose, the equine pose. So what we're doing here is focusing on the third eye. We're looking outward at how we deal with the external world, the exterior part of ourselves. Just allowing the breath and relaxing, and then we're preparing now from the external world and how we view our internal and external selves. We're going to come into the plank. The plank, breath in and out, stepping back. The plank symbolises strength, so I'd like you to pull in on your belly, your Uddiyana Bandha lock, and allow yourself to connect with your innate, strong energy that will allow you to grow like wood, the element wood. So really pulling in here. We breathe in and then we get ready, knees drop for surrender. We bring down all 8 parts touching the earth here. The toes, the knees, 1, 2, 3, 4. The shoulders, the hands, 6, the chin and the chest. So this is surrendering to the 8 limbs of yoga here. We surrender to the earth, to our life and to our existence on earth. The next is the Cobra. So we take breath in, and on out breath we come up into the Cobra, and this works on the third eye, the lower chakras, connecting them together, and also rebirth. So we think about rebirthing ourselves from all of the energy that we've pulled in from the heaven and the earth. We're taking breath in here, toes curl, breathing in, and on out breath we prepare and go into downward dog. Now this is for me called the mountain, and this symbolises the journey in life. And it also symbolises the strength that you need to get through life. So you're pulling in on Uddiyana Bandha lock, you're being aware of the root chakra, and you're also connecting with the third eye as well. So from the sacral and the third eye connection, we're taking a breath in, and on out breath we go into the left runner, or as I call it, Sanchalasana. So the left horse is the inner horse. on the chariot with the horses, of how we drive ourselves through life. So the chest is up, we're nice and proud like a horse, we're looking up. For some people you can take breath in, and on out breath look up towards the third eye if you would like to. This is optional. Please only do it if you are advanced or intermediate in yoga. We breathe in, and on out breath we would release the eyes, gaze to the third eye, that Ajna gaze. So we take breath in, and on out breath we bring all of that energy. So with this one we're lifting up through the spine, breathing in, and on out breath we're closing in. So this is again the earth salutation. It's the forward fold, but we are really coming in here and we are yielding and giving everything to the earth. We take breath in, gather that beautiful sun, and on out breath we bring the sun all the way through the body, breathing in, and on out breath we give ourselves to the heavens, the sun, but also the moon, the planets, the stars, the universal energy, the chi, the prana that surrounds us. Taking breath in, and on out breath we gather that, harvest that chi and that prana, bring it down through the crown, through the third eye, through the throat and into the heart, where the Atma, the soul, resides. So we're bringing that beautiful energy in to the heart. And rest there. Feel the energy coming into the body. I would recommend at least 2 sun salutations a day. For some you may want 4, for others, other numbers are auspicious. So whatever works for you as regards to the numbers of sun salutation, whichever one you feel, I would pay attention to your body, pay attention to how you're feeling, pay attention to your breath, pay attention to your life. What do you need? Do you need to do the sun salutations fast for yang energy? Do you need to do them slow for yin energy? What do you need? It's all about you, your universe, your Maya, your internal vast space within you. So please do them slow. This is a very slow sun salutation. Some days I will go very, very slow. I will go almost like yin yoga, supporting myself, using bolsters, blankets, pillows, and really nurturing myself. Then other days when I'm feeling very, very in need of activation and, you know, really getting in there, it can be such an amazing dance. So thank you very much for tuning in. Namaste. I have lots and lots of other videos, and hopefully I'm going to be doing more videos, and there will be some for sale. I also have got a lovely Etsy shop where you can purchase lots of amazing things, so please do support me, and these are from my heart with love to you. But if you choose that you would like to donate to me on my website to support me doing these videos, I haven't got any schemes in place. I haven't got any membership schemes as yet. So this is with pure love from me to you. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy. Thank you very much. We'll see you in another video. Bye.